Today we have the Hyperdrive BB-8, and now we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. There we go. And here is the Hyperdrive BB-8 head. And here is the Hyperdrive BB-8 controller. And now, the last thing we need is the Hyper BB-8 body. And now, it's done. Try it on this side. No. Have to cut through the middle. Oh my God.
Okay, so once you put the batteries in the bottom, put this back in, and put the cover on, and then can you twist that back on there, Sammy? And then twist it. Atta girl. There you go. And then Elliot is working on opening that up to put 2 AAA batteries in the remote. And then other than that, we just have to stick his head on and we're good to go.
There's no...
Yeah, there you go. Okay, perfect. So his head just has a magnet and so does his body, and they stick together, and that way when his body moves, his head sort of stays on top. Anyways, we're gonna give it a test drive. It says first, before you use him, you have to wake BB-8 up. So Sam, can you grab BB-8? And then can you give him a shake? There you go. And then set him down and just let him sit for a second. I think this will be the mystery. Maybe he's, is that side?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right, we'll see. You grab the remote, Elliot. Okay, so today we test drove the Hyperdrive BB-8. There's a few different ones out there, but this one's the Hyperdrive. And it really was super easy to assemble. I showed a little bit of that previously in the video, but I think the base was 6 steps, including like putting the batteries in it. And then literally his head's magnetic, so that you just find the one spot that it sticks to. Oh, hi, BB. Yes, I know. I'm just telling them about you. Anyways, then there's a remote control. Again, you just have to put a couple batteries in the back, so pretty simple. I will say that it says for age 5 and up. My son is 5. It did take him a little bit of getting used to the remote control because there's actually 4 portions of it. So there's 2 joysticks, one for, I believe, forward and backward his body, one moves his head. I feel like these other 2, I did read the directions, I just didn't get a chance to really use it much myself yet, but also move his head forward and backward. But some of the older kids caught on to it like much faster as far as like getting the directional thing. You know, it would make a great Christmas gift, especially if they are a fan of remote control toys. The whole way that he moves, like where he rolls and his head still always balances somewhere on his body, looks pretty cool. And he does talk and stuff as well, which is fun. And especially if you let him sit for too long, he'll decide that he wants to make noise for you to come and play with him until he goes to sleep, and then he snores. Anyways, it's kind of cool little interactive toy. So if you are thinking of getting one of these little guys, hopefully our unboxing today, our test drive, and review help you to decide if this little guy, this cute little guy, is the right toy for you or somebody you know. And if you like this video, please click like below. I would really appreciate it. And also feel free to subscribe for notifications on more great reviews, other products we love, all sorts of things around the house and that our family enjoy. And we hope you have a good one. Till next time.